Totoo bang highly recommended ang oil sa oily skin?
Ha?
Let's find out. Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Facial oils act like a seal para silang takip that helps moisturizer lock in hydration even better. Kaya sa dry skin, they can be extra helpful to keep it soft and supple. Pero here's the catch. Oils are naturally heavier, kaya sa oily or acne-prone skin, pwede silang magbara ng pores at magdulot ng breakouts. Pero hindi ibig sabihin bawal. May mga lightweight oils tulad ng jojoba at esqualane na halos kapareho ng natural oil ng balat. Mas madaling tanggapin ng skin, hindi mabigat, at hindi basta nakakaklag ng pores. That's why, not every oil works for everyone. Kaya oil for oily skin, pwede naman. Basta tama ang pili at manipis lang ang layer as your last step. Pero tandaan, hindi para sa lahat. Always listen to your skin. If you want to learn how to formulate your own skincare products, I have a 2-day professional hands-on training this November 14 and 15. Limited to 20 students lang. Kaya type formulation in the comments below to secure your spot.